Connie and Shona Ferguson welcome Beyoncé's daughter into their homes. South African power couple Shona and Connie are apparently very close to the American power couple Beyoncé and Jay-Z Carter. The two couples are so close that they even visit each other without any media catching up on the news. Connie's house helper was so excited about being in the same house as the American power couple that she couldn't contain keeping it a secret and away from the media. The American rap king apparently uses his private jet to make sure these trips are under wraps. On Sunday the 20th, Beyoncé and her husband arrived in SA at the Ferguson mansion to drop off their first child, Ivy Blue Carter. She's going to be at the Ferguson house for the next coming 2 weeks. Then the Ferguson's grandchild will visit the Carters.